some maneuver techniques, practicing a little bit on the Lime S 2018. This thing is a complete beast. It's a monster to ride, and I absolutely love it. I've had it for about 10 minutes already. So I'm gonna do a couple maneuvers here, and we will take you guys along for the ride. Gracias for tuning in. I'm on my way to check out a ride, and this thing's actually right around the corner from my house, so I'm literally just gonna run over there and check it out real quick, because I haven't picked up a bike in like a week, so I'm having withdrawals at this point, and I need to get something fast. Like I said, I'm literally just running over here. It's like a smoking deal on this thing, so I hope it's still here. Scan to ride. Jump off here in a minute. You guys can take a look at it. I don't know if I'm gonna buy it. I'll have to take a look. It looks a little beat up. Looks like it's probably been sitting outside for a while. Not in the best condition, but all right, there you have it, you guys. 2018 Lime S. So this is the S for speed. You got the HID front headlights, aftermarket grips. This one comes with a bell. Make sure they can hear you coming. You got the dual front brakes. Tires look decent. Got some good tread on them. This is what I was talking about, just a little beat up, some cosmetics. I think it'll clean up pretty nice. This one comes with the GPS tracker. Made in California, USA local built. This I think is custom grip tape, if I'm not mistaken. All in all, it's a pretty dope ride. I'm gonna run it around the block one more time, and then we will try to negotiate, talk price. The dude wants $1 to start riding. And I don't know, man, that's kind of steep if you ask me for this, given the condition, but we'll see what happens. Throttle is right here with your thumb. Hold on. So it's already broken down too. I got a bad feeling. So let's see what's going on. Why isn't it running? Kickstand's up. Let's give it another shot. Whoa! All right, we're back in business, you guys. That was sketchy, really sketchy. I'm gonna go talk price with the dude, and I might buy it, man. Despite all the cosmetic blemishes, I might give this thing a shot. Careful. Dude, get out of the way. Hey, good morning, what's up, you guys? John's Moto Garage, I'm John. I checked out this bike yesterday, took it for a quick spin. That video ended somewhat abruptly, so we're picking up where we left off. I'm gonna do a little bit more thorough test ride. As you can see, I brought the knee pads out. We're gonna try to drag knee on this thing, and then we'll determine whether or not it's the right fit for me for John's Moto Garage. All right, let's give this thing a shot. There's your roll. Start with the 20-foot circle, see if we can roll around. Does it, easy on the throttle, then roll lightweight, roll around the corner. So far, first impressions, I really dig it. Now the big question is, can you drag a knee on the 2018 Lime S? All in all, Lime S nailed it on this scooter. Quick acceleration, smooth throttle, smooth shift. Tires are grippy, easy to throw around the corners. You can drag the knee with ease. This thing is definitely a competitor there with Bird, any of your other scooter brands, Razor as well. I would highly recommend it. I'm gonna do a few more quick tricks here. Do not try this at home, you guys. Whoa! Whoa! All about throttle control, you guys. You can drag a knee on anything. I don't care what it is. So far, I'm really digging the Lime S 2018. Let me try one more time, one more time. Scary. They're not the best for wheelies. It seems to have an anti-wheelie device built into it, so I'll have to talk to the manufacturer about that. All right, guys, John's Moto Garage, as always, thanks for tuning in. Be sure to like, subscribe, smash the like button. It was a ton of fun. I really enjoyed it, but in the end, I decided to not purchase the Lime S 2018. Big reason is you actually technically can't buy and sell these things. Yeah, that was about it. Otherwise, 2 thumbs up for the Lime. That thing was a fun bike. I'm gonna leave it over there. Hopefully nothing happens to it. It'll probably be gone by the time we get home today. All right, you guys, John's Moto Garage. Thanks for tuning in. We'll hit you up on the next one. Nos vemos.